Hi there, welcome back to Nasir channel. This time I will show you how to render video with best setting in Movie Maker application. I open my Movie Maker application and then I will show you my video first before we render it. This is previews before I render the video. Okay, then the important things you must click properties in the video and then note the video size, data rate and frame rate from the video. This information we will use later in the Movie Maker. Then I import my video and I will split this video into shorter because I don't want to wasting time in the render video process. And the last step is save video with our custom settings. We set the value same with our node in Notepad. This method will give our best result in the video quality and video size. All finished. Next, let's render video and see the results. You can see the video quality is almost same with the original. That's all. Hope this can help you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.